Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Konek2Card account on a new device. So this is useful if you change phones and you need access to your existing Konek2Card again. And before starting, make sure the SIM card registered to your Konek2Card account is inserted in the new device because it will be needed during the activation process. So first, I want you to open the Google Play Store and search for Konek2Card. Install the app, then open it once the installation is complete. So allow the necessary permissions, go through the introduction screens by tapping next, and then select get started. So since you already have an account, choose log in instead of creating a new one. Next, enter your existing username and password. Double check that both are correct, then tap log in. And when registration is complete, tap log in now and sign in using your username and password. And you may also enable biometric login if you want easier access using your fingerprint. After activation, your Konek2Card account should now be ready to use on the new device. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.